We produce a lot of fun on Coleman Meadows farm. We've got water buffalo, and we've actually got Jersey cows now as well. And that's the next generation. But first, the water buffalo. The water buffalo are the ones that provide us with an amazing milk so that we can sell the products from the water buffalo. So there's cheeses and gelato and yogurt and a series of meats as well. People come to the farm every Saturday from 10 till 2 to visit our water buffalo and visit our gardens. We're not doing tours of the barns this year because of this pandemic, but we are able to view the water buffalo and get a little bit closer. The next generation has started a Jersey dairy, and they'll be milking 36 cows. And it's an exciting time, but it's also a time of real transition as we sort of shuffle the buffalo to one area and the cows to another. We had about 60 water buffalo. We're now down to about 25, and we'll be having obviously the cows. So we've been able to renovate our barns so that we accommodate both critters. We'll look at picking up milking our water buffalo again next spring as they start to freshen, and that's going to be a real transition. And how we do it, we're still sort of trying to figure all those things out. But you know, we feel that diversity for agriculture is key in terms of doing more than just one thing. I've always used the analogy, if I had a shoe store and I just sold black shoes, I would not be surviving. And agriculture cannot and never will be able to survive just doing the same thing over and over again. I believe that this pandemic has really showed that the smaller farms are the farms that are thriving, and people are clamoring for local product. I think the most important thing about opening our farm to the public is allowing the public to really glimpse what agriculture is in a small scale, but nevertheless, we're a very vibrant and active farm. I wouldn't have any other